Okay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good evening, everybody. My name is Leslie. If you're new here, that is my name. And if you've been around, thank you for sticking around. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, today I just want to take you guys along. I want to show you the process of opening my Kolo for the year. So I have this Kolo that I got and I've been saving towards Christmas. I got it around August. Yeah, I got it around August. So I've been saving for 4 months now. And this is Christmas, and of course I just want to open it because I want to get a few things for the house as I travel for Christmas. So I want to open it today. Let me show you guys. This is it. Hope you can see it. It's a small one. It's not big. It's not like the entire building. It's just a small one. Yeah, this is it. So I got this from the market. I didn't have the patience to wait for the carpenter to fix one for me, and so I hurriedly got this so that I don't finish all the money I have. And yeah, that's it. So I just want to show you guys, and I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what to feel right now. I just hope I have some reasonable amount inside. So just wish me luck. Oh God, thank you. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, because it's made of aluminium, I am going to use this to snip it open like so, while being very careful so that I don't cut my money. It's like I've cut my money. Woo! Come on. Da 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 da. Oh, the crowd. This is it, guys. Can you guys see this? For 4 months. And I don't sell crayfish. It's not like I make money every day though. But God has been faithful. At least this can get me something to take home for Christmas. Yeah. Ta-da, ta-da. Let us count it. Okay. It's not bad for 4 months. And I wasn't consistent. So this is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So this is 58,000. 2,000 to 60K for 4 months. Or more. Okay. So what's the moral of this video? Invest in Kolo business. But come on, it's unbelievable. I just did this for 4 months, from August, this is December, and imagine what I could come up with. Imagine if I started since January. So I want to admonish you, and I want to inspire you, and I want to tell you to make it part of your 2022 goals. Yeah, make it part of your 2022 goals. Start on time, because anything can come and take all your savings in the bank, but then you have your Kolo. I'll be heading to the supermarket right now to get a few things for the house. I want you to come with me. Yes, I know it's not much, but I'm excited. It is really going to go a long way with all my travel expenses. So this is the perfume section. So I got vegetable oil. I got some beverage as well. I got oats for grandma. Yeah, and I got this wine for my uncle. And I got this for the house. I got sprays or perfume rather. I got perfume and a few things here and there. So yeah, Christmas is getting set. Okay guys, good evening again. So I'm back from the market and you guys have seen what I got from the market. I'm so excited, like it's a big relief for me. And 58,000 naira, of course, is a big deal right now because I'm red.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay, so and I did a little calculation to help us, right? So 58,000 naira divided by, for the 4 months I did it, is around 14,500 naira. And so if you times that 14,500 naira by 12, that's the 12 months of the year, you'll be getting around 174,000 naira or thereabouts. I mean, that's a lot of money. What is your salary again? That's huge as far as I'm concerned. And that can really go a long way. So imagine if I had started since January. So yeah, so that's my advice and motivation to you all this night. Make it a thing next year. Let it be part of your goals. Let it be part of the plans that you're setting out for 2022, no matter how small it is. In fact, get the Kolo this year and start putting something, no matter how small it is. I mean, you can arrive at a point that will blow your mind next year. No matter how much you think you're earning now, it's really going to help you. So yeah, that is my advice to you. I mean, this is really going to go a long way. It's already going a long way, right? It's gotten a few things for me. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog today. Actually, this is the first time I will be vlogging, so I don't know if I really did justice to it. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if I did justice to it. And that will be all for now. I'm so excited that you stuck around till the end of this video. And so if this video motivated you, and if you're going to start your Kolo investment next year because of this video, because of what you've seen so far, because I want all my videos to inspire people and motivate people for the better. And if this video did that, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and also stick around by subscribing. Thank you so much for your time. Until I come your way next time, goodbye.